Hi, my name is Samantha Franklin, and this is how to identify a mineral, learning objective 1, number 6-8. I will be discussing the 5 characteristics of a mineral. These 5 characteristics help us figure out if something is a mineral. The characteristics are 1. Naturally occurring, 2. Inorganic, 3. Ordered crystalline structure, 4. Solid state, 5. Well-defined chemical composition. So what does it mean to be naturally occurring? Naturally occurring simply means it is not made at the hands of humans, but was created through natural processes that take place in nature. So, for instance, diamonds grown in a lab technically are not real minerals since it was created by a human in a laboratory, and it wasn't naturally, nor was it in nature. What does it mean to be inorganic? For something to be inorganic, it must not be created by something that is living or was alive. For instance, something such as tree resin or amber is considered to be organic because it was created by a living tree. Therefore, it is not a mineral. The same goes for something such as charcoal as well, which is made from dead plants that used to be alive. Minerals are not created by something that was alive. It just naturally occurs in nature. Third, minerals have an ordered crystalline structure. In other words, if, say, you were to look within a mineral with a powerful microscope, you can expect to see a repeating pattern or shape. If what you happen to be looking at had more random shapes and patterns, then it would not be considered to be a mineral because it's random. Minerals are repeated, have a repeated structure and a repeated pattern, so if you were looking through that microscope, you would see the same thing over and over and over again. Minerals, simply put, are in a solid state. A mineral has to be in a solid state. It cannot be a gas, nor can it be a liquid. It has to be a solid. And finally, minerals have a known chemical composition. Basically, if you know a mineral has a certain number of elements such as magnesium, carbon, etc., then it usually sticks to having that chemical composition. For instance, say everyone has names, and some people have nicknames of their names. Even though their name may vary from time to time because of those nicknames, they are still the same person. Just like a mineral may have a certain amount of an element, but those amounts can vary a bit. But as long as the formula remains the same, the mineral is the same mineral that it's supposed to be with that chemical formula. And this is my works cited page, and thank you.